Ramanna has come in for Chennai Rhinos. 34 for 1. The last wicket was of Vikrant. He went for 24. He was going great guns. Telugu Warriors just needed something to ignite them, and it was just provided by their captain. Held on to an easy catch. It's 4 overs into the match. They're already on 34, but they've lost the wicket of Vikrant. Again, a hint of away movement. Was a little bit of a collision between the two batsmen.
They're going so well, the Rhinos, until this happened. A knocker's delivery down the leg side, he tried to flick it, gets a leading edge, and it goes straight to Venkatesh, the superstar from Telugu Warriors. The man of the moment has taken a very good catch. They cannot believe it in the Rhinos dugout. And the cheer girl, they believe it and they're happy, they're dancing. They can heave a huge sigh of relief here. The Warriors have got rid of Vikrant, who was batting so well. Got to 24 of only 15 deliveries, beg your pardon. He was the boundary scorer, so to speak. Now they can try and come back into this match by picking up some more wickets.
Raghu has been bowling really well. The first one he bowled this over went away from the right-hander. The second one has nipped back in. So he's moving the ball appreciably. That's the reason he wants the field to be changed. He knows that the ball is moving a touch. The hint of green on the surface. That's the reason you find a gully being employed at the moment. That's a good option. And the gully is moved back again to slip.
It's a good move by Warriors to post a fielder there. It's an attacking field set here by the Warriors. Sends a message that they want to take wickets here. Ramanna has just come on to bat. Jiva has done well, but he's on 8. He's not a big threat because he doesn't score runs through boundaries or sixes. He's more of a sedate player, tries and get his singles. That is Vikrant, the big fish. Escamper throw. Oh, great throw. It is Teja once again. And umpire, he goes upstairs. They are so confident. The body language suggests that the batsman is out. We'll wait for the replay.
Well, Sabah, direct hit. It is a close call always. 9 out of 10 times, the batsman is short of the crease. We'll have to wait and watch in this replay. He plays it, and Teja really gets onto the ball. But that's a close one. We'll have to go a couple of frames back. He hasn't dragged the bat, he has planted the bat into the crease. So it's the timing of the bails coming off and the bat grounded on the surface is very crucial in this one.
Is there a shadow? I can't see that. When the bails come off the groove, where was the bat? Was it inside or was it in the air? Tough one with the third umpire. Love to see another angle on this. Maybe one frame before this. That's the time when the bail comes off the groove. Just before that. This gives a better picture, this one. The umpire is in front of the wicket, so we can't see from there. And if there is any doubt, I think it should go to the batsman.
This can give you a better picture. Oh, that's It's a very tight call. Umpire will have to take a decision soon, but let me tell you, that's a tight call. He has clearly planted the bat. Is it slightly up in the air? Now this can tell you the story. Is this bat up in the air?
Very tough one for the third umpire. This is it. This is the frame that should give the picture. There it is. Extremely tight one. Somehow I get the impression, Amol, that it should go in the batsman's favor. Evidence is not so clear.
Is the decision, and they are happy. Telugu Warriors, they've struck again with a piece of magnificent fielding yet again. Ramanna has to go without troubling the scorer. It's 35 for 2, Chennai Rhinos.
This is 35 for 2 now, the Rhinos. Vishnu comes out to bat. So they've lost 2 quick wickets here, the Rhinos. A superb effort from Charan Teja that resulted in that dismissal of Ramanna, the wicketkeeper. Bats quite well. He has gone back without troubling the scorers. Vishnu has had a decent run in this tournament, comes out at number 4. 134 runs, average not so good, only 150 to his name. That's been the problem for the Rhinos. This season, the main players, the big scorers, haven't weighed in properly. Vikrant, Vishnu, hardly any big scores. And they were the big guns for them last season.
One thing is for sure, they can't afford to lose any more wickets from here if they have to post a decent total. Already off to a brisk start. Lays it with soft hands, and the end resulting in a single. 5 overs gone. It's 36 for 2.